Coral reefs are beautiful. They are one of the most stunning natural wonders on our planet, showcasing a kaleidoscope of colors and an abundance of life. They are like underwater cities, full of life and color. These vibrant ecosystems are bustling with activity, where every nook and cranny is home to a myriad of marine creatures. Often called the rainforests of the sea, coral reefs are home to a quarter of all marine species. This incredible biodiversity makes them crucial to the health of our oceans. Imagine colorful fish swimming among the corals. Schools of fish dart in and out of the coral structures, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors and movement. Picture sea turtles gliding through the clear water. These gentle giants navigate the reefs with grace, adding to the serene beauty of the underwater world. These are just glimpses of the amazing world found in coral reefs. The diversity and complexity of life here are truly astounding, offering endless wonders to explore. But what are coral reefs made of? The intricate structures are not just rocks, they are living, growing entities. They are built by tiny animals called coral polyps. These minuscule creatures work together to create the vast and complex reef structures. These tiny creatures are the architects of these underwater cities. Through their collective efforts, they form the backbone of the reef ecosystem. They create the structures that support thousands of marine plants and animals. The reefs provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for countless species. Understanding how these tiny organisms build reefs can inspire us to protect them. By studying their resilience and adaptability, we can learn how to better conserve these vital ecosystems for future generations. Coral polyps are tiny, soft-bodied animals. They are related to jellyfish and anemones. Each polyp has a sac-like body and a mouth surrounded by stinging tentacles. These tentacles help them catch food that floats by. Coral polyps are fascinating creatures. They form a special partnership with tiny algae called zooxanthellae. These algae live within the polyp's tissues. The zooxanthellae provide the polyps with food through photosynthesis. In return, the polyps give the algae a safe place to live. Coral polyps build reefs by creating a hard, protective skeleton around their soft bodies. These tiny yet remarkable creatures are the architects of one of the ocean's most vital ecosystems. This skeleton is made of calcium carbonate, the same material found in seashells. The process of forming these structures is both intricate and fascinating. The polyps extract calcium and carbonate ions from the surrounding seawater. These ions are then combined to form the calcium carbonate that makes up their skeletons. As polyps grow and multiply, they build upon the skeletons of previous generations. This continuous layering process is what allows coral reefs to expand and thrive. Over time, this process creates the massive structures we know as coral reefs. These reefs provide habitat and shelter for countless marine species. It takes a long time for a reef to grow. The growth rate is slow, often just a few millimeters per year, but the results are spectacular. Some reefs are thousands of years old. These ancient structures are living records of the ocean's history, holding secrets of past climates and marine life. Coral reefs are very important. They are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea because of their incredible biodiversity. These underwater ecosystems are home to thousands of marine species. They provide shelter and food for many marine animals, including fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. This intricate web of life depends on the health of the reefs. This makes them vital for healthy oceans. Coral reefs support the life cycles of many marine organisms, contributing to the overall balance of marine ecosystems. It also protects coastlines from storms and erosion. They act as natural barriers, absorbing the energy of waves and reducing the impact on shorelines. They are important for fishing and tourism industries. Many coastal communities rely on reefs for their livelihoods, whether through fishing or attracting tourists who come to explore these vibrant underwater worlds. We must protect coral reefs. Conservation efforts, such as coral restoration projects and sustainable fishing practices, are essential to preserving these ecosystems. Pollution, climate change, and destructive fishing practices are harming these delicate ecosystems. Coral bleaching, caused by rising sea temperatures, is one of the most visible signs of stress on reefs. By understanding the importance of coral reefs and the threats they face, we can all do our part to protect them for future generations. Education and community involvement are key to ensuring the survival of these vital ecosystems. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.